With this 18 rotors, we have a really safe system, so we can lose more than 2 rotors with no problems, also in very hard and turbulent conditions. So we have a lot of people who want to buy it, also a lot of rich people want to buy it. So the first step, we want to sell it to flight schools. So the challenges is with the authorities. The German authorities are working very, very good with us. So we are sure that we can have in 2 or 2.5 years a type certification. So we can produce a large scale and sell it to many people.